Hello everyone, welcome to Learning Hub, a full stack learning platform designed to make education interactive, engaging, and accessible for students. I am Lakshmi Varshita from Team EduNexa. Today, I'll walk you through our prototype and share the exciting next steps in its development. Let's begin. We used Figma.com to design our prototype. It consists of homepage, dashboard, login, sign up, explore, profile, forum, course overview page. I'll show you the workflow of our prototype. This is the Learning Hub homepage designed for easy navigation. Right from the start, students can explore popular courses, understand why our Learning Hub stands out, and quickly access learning materials. We have created a clean and structured interface that provides quick access to learning paths, course categories, and a personalized learning experience. The menu bar comprises of Home, About, Explore, Contact, and Community Forum. The user can sign up or log in. New users can sign up in just a few steps. They can enter the details, selecting their learning preferences, and create an account. Upon clicking on Submit, they will be navigated to the login page where the username and password are validated. Upon successful validation, they will be navigated to the dashboard. The dashboard is the user's main control center. Here, students can track progress, see upcoming quizzes, access recently viewed courses. The progress tracker is visually represents the learning journey, keeping them motivated. It also consists of custom reminders set by the learner itself. Every student has a personalized profile where they can track completed courses, view certificates, and check their achievements. We have also introducing a gamification system which I'll explain shortly. Students will be rewarded with badges for milestones like completing courses, scoring high on quizzes, or maintaining a consistent learning streak. Now, going to the Explore page, finding the right courses. The Explore section allows students to discover new courses across various domains such as programming, AI, web development, and many more. Advanced search and filtering options make it easy to find courses based on skill level and interest. By analyzing user engagement, Learning Hub provides intelligent course recommendations tailored to each student's learning journey. By clicking on any course, start learning, and they'll be navigated to the course overview page. Each course includes structured content, video lectures, reading materials, interactive coding exercises, quizzes. Students can mark lessons as completed and track progress in real time. We also provide downloadable resources and a notes section allowing students to jot down key points while learning. Gamification, making learning fun and rewarding. One of the standout features of Learning Hub is gamification. Students can earn XP points, unlock achievements, and climb leaderboards by completing courses and quizzes. We are also introducing challenges where students can get personalized learning tasks. This keeps them engaged and encourages a habit of continuous learning. Upon course completion, students can achieve digital certificates. Unlike traditional platforms, our systems adapt challenges based on progress, ensuring a truly personalized learning experience. Now, let's move on to the community forum. Collaboration is essential in online learning. The community forum allows students to ask questions, participate in discussions, and get help from peers and instructors. Students can search existing threads, contribute to discussions, and even upvote helpful answers, creating an interactive learning environment. Now, this is our prototype, which is very basic. Now that we have explored the prototype, let's talk about our upcoming enhancements that will make our learning hub to the next level. We are developing an offline learning feature such that allowing students to download courses, lectures, and quizzes for access without an internet connection. Their progress will sync automatically once they are back online. For educators, we are building an instructor dashboard where they can create courses, upload materials, and track student progress. This will make learning more structured and interactive. To make learning accessible anytime, anywhere, we will optimize Learning Hub for mobile devices, ensuring a smooth user experience across all screens. With these innovations, Learning Hub is set to redefine online education. We are focused on creating an engaging, flexible, interactive learning experience for students worldwide. Currently, we are refining the UI, implementing features, and preparing for the next phase of development. We are excited about what's ahead and can't wait to bring these features to life. Thank you for watching. We would love to hear your feedback and suggestions as we continue to improve Learning Hub. Stay tuned for more updates. See you.